Hey, Dana here, and welcome to the Right to Bear Arms. What you're looking at is my newest addition to my inventory. Taking me a little bit of time to purchase this. I'll give you a hint. It's the smaller brother to the Mission 4. This is the less lethal contact rifle, or TCR. This performs just like the handgun. It runs off of a 12, it runs similar to the LE. It runs off of a 12-gram CO2.
There's a 7 and a 12 magazine clip. It has the Pierce technology, which means the CO2 sits in there till you pull the trigger. Has an effective range of 60 feet, velocity of 295 feet per second.
Has front and rear flip sights, just like the, where are you? How do we do that? There we go. This is its brother,
The Mission 4.
It has flip sights.
It has two 19-round magazines.
This is good to 100 feet.
TCR is good to 60 feet, and it runs off of a 12-gram CO2 with the Pierce technology.
Where this one here, you have to crank it until you hear it pierce, okay? This is set up on an AR frame, okay? This one is set up on its own frame. So there's that. I'll leave that right there. So let's get this open. And let's see. Oh. We're going to get to know this real well. Where I'm not using this as a demo, I will be using this as a demo. So you
12-round magazine.
Oh, isn't that cool? There's your
7-round magazine for a total of 19 rounds.
Your CO2 goes right in here, in that chamber. Close it down. This one here, you adjust your.
You have a shoulder or butt adjustment and a cheek.
Again, approved for the pros, used by law enforcement, government agencies, and private security firms. This will be perfect, wherever you want to go. Great for home defense, recreation, no background, no permits, interstate, patented pull, Pierce technology, perfect backyard training. Shot capacity of
19 rounds.
One 12-round magazine, which is this one here, and one 7-round magazine, which is the one that just popped out. There you go.
Effective range 60 feet at 295 feet per second.
Front and rear flips, just an element, and adjustable butt stock. You got a cover you can put over the top of that. magazines. Set that thing up. That's gonna go. This one right in here. I'll break it before I even get a chance to use it, yeah. It'll hold pretty good, like so. You're locked in on that. Let me get your 12 round mag. There we go. All right. Let's see, adjustment on that thing. Again, your CO2s are going right in here like so. CO2s must be fully emptied before opening the compartment. Dry fire until CO2 is empty. Yeah, that would be bad, huh? Okay, so, and then figure this thing out here. I think you gotta pull that completely on. Let's get it out. Let me get that compact out of the room. Just the one. Okay. Well, that's kicking my butt. Good. Yeah, that's good. You got safety on that too. There you go. Red is fire. Red is fire, huh? Crush safety on the right side of the launcher where the pin and brace to take launcher out of safe mode. And put the, to do this, something like that. Got this locking links. So what you do is you push this button and you'll be able to slide it back to where you want it. Again, these are pop-ups. That's great. Like that, and then I think this is the pocket. What is that? Does. Adjust that to the side. It locks like that, but this doesn't appear to keep that from moving and slide. That locks that. Okay. This is your chin guard. I got you. All right. Okay, so the chin guard slides up. You're able to adjust your buttstock by this button right here. And then you got your chin. Your chin stock right there. Okay. So, and you got your trigger safeties right here. You're looking at it. Push for safety. Pushing back. And now, okay, it's trigger is locked. Push in. You're going to see red. Now you're going to know you're going to be able to pull. You're ready to go. Bam, 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 bam. That's cool. All right. So again, this is your butt slide. All right. This here adjusts your chin, depending on where you want your chin on it. Get a 12 round mag, 7 round mag. It's not universal, but you can put, this is your rail. This is your rail, accessory rail, light, laser. And on this side, this pops out. Put your CO2 ready to go in it, but CO2 will go in and then lock down. And very important when you're done shooting, go ahead before you take this out, because once you pierce it, it's done. Okay. So make sure you pump it enough so you no longer hear any more air compressing coming out of it. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Fire. Man, I hope it's that smooth. I hope it's that smooth. Okay, there we go. And then you got they give you a barrel cover for it. Eco, kinetic, inert, powder, and max. And those are the Byrna balls. But as an added, you can shoot 68 caliber paintballs out of both the TCR and the Mission 4. So if you're into paintballing, this is what you want. Alright, so there we go. Thanks for watching. Like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. In comparison to the AR, this is what you got, pretty much. The AR is going to be just a little bit longer because you got your added 88 gram CO2 on the end of that, okay? As far as the rest of it's concerned, it's got its own makeup. And again, this has the Pierce technology. The CO2 sits in here till you need it. Again, thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next. The right to bear arms. And this was unboxing of the TCR, the Byrna Tactical Compact Rifle.